MySQL supports views, so you can save a query as a view and use that view like you would a subselect. This is really very simple. For this example, we'll use the album database. And here's a useful little query that gets the track duration as minutes and seconds. I can say select ID, album ID, title, track number, and duration div 60 as minutes, and duration mod 60 as seconds from track. And when I run this, you'll see we have the entire track table, and instead of the duration as a number of seconds, we've got it in minutes and seconds. And that's actually pretty useful. Now, if I know I'm going to use this query a lot, I can save it as a view. I can simply do this. I can say create view and name it track view. And then here's just an overloading of the as keyword. As, and this is the view itself. I like to put the semicolon on a separate line when I indent like that. It's just me. It's not necessary. And now I can say select asterisk from track view as if it were a table or a subselect. I press go, and I've got exactly the same result. But now I have it as a track view. I don't need to have all of this anymore. I can just say select asterisk from track view, and I get that result. Now, because this select is effectively a table, this track view is a select, and it can be used exactly as you would use a table. I can use this as I would use a subselect, anywhere I would otherwise use a table. For example, I can do this. So A will be the album table, and so we got A.artist and T.track number, and T will be our track view, and title from the track view, and minutes and seconds from the track view, from album as A, and join, and we'll grab our track view here as T on T.album ID equals A.ID, and we can order by, and I'll put my semicolon down there on another line like that. And when I press go, now I have this lovely joined table again. I've got my album and my sequence in the album, and I've got the minutes and seconds, because instead of the track table, I'm using this track view that has that minutes and seconds split out like that. Very useful. When you're done with a view, you can drop it just like you would a table. You can say drop view, track view. This does not affect the underlying tables. It only deletes the view. So a view is really just a saved query. Because the result of a select is effectively a table, you can use a view anywhere you would use a table or a subselect. I'll show you a more complex example in the next lesson.